A call for help. But instead of hearing "what's your emergency," you hear a calmer voice, someone asking how they can help.
Baltimore County Crisis, how can I help you?
People would typically call us over 911 for a little bit more of that warmth, a little bit more of that support. 911 is just an immediate response.
This is Baltimore County's Crisis Call Center. It operates around the clock to help people in crisis.
A crisis is really defined by you. Everyone has a different level of crisis. What might be a crisis to me is going to be different than what a crisis to you is.
Part of that immediate intervention is being present with the person on the other end of the phone, right? And so sometimes one of a counselor's, like phone counselor's, primary skills is being able to establish rapport quickly.
There's been a crisis hotline in Baltimore County for years. Now, these dispatchers are also answering calls to 988, the National Suicide and Crisis Lifeline.
The calls that get routed here are typically anyone with a 410, 443, or 667 area phone number, so all of those Maryland area codes.
Since it was launched in July 2022, Maryland has received more than 27,000 calls, chats, and texts to the 988 system.
You can give us any information.
These dispatchers have extensive training.
We have things that we're looking for. Obviously, we're always assessing for safety. So if someone is calling in crying, screaming, yelling, we want to ensure safety.
Many calls are from people who just need someone to listen.
A lot of times it is just being present with that person. You'd be surprised how that is something that is so lacking today, that folks just need someone to listen and not judge, right? Not interject advice, not give you solutions unless you ask.
If a call needs an in-person response, a mobile crisis team responds. That includes a Baltimore County police officer and a clinician team. Officer DeFord is part of that unit and says they tailor their response to the individual in need.
If it means a person needs these resources, that's awesome. We'll give them those resources. If it means they need a little more assistance, we have other avenues we go to. If they need to go to the hospital, we can assist with that. We help them there, make it a little more of a comfortable situation when it's very uncomfortable.
Dispatchers say the more calls they get, the better, because it means people are reaching out for help.
There's a lot of need out there for crisis services, and it's definitely one of those services that people don't think about often, but it is 100% needed.
All the information from calls stays confidential unless there's concern about immediate harm. The Crisis Center does accept calls from people who are worried about a loved one, and any conversations they have with that loved one will also remain confidential. If you're in need of help, you can call 988 to reach centers like the Baltimore County Crisis Hotline.